My name is Ryan Bethencourt. I am the CEO of Wild Earth. We're a sustainable cuisine for pets company, and I'm delighted to tell you about why we all love dogs. In fact, we love dogs so much on this planet that there are 525 million dogs today on this planet, pet dogs. And every single day, there are more and more dogs and more cats. We've talked a lot about the next 3 billion people that are coming in the next 3 decades. And in fact, there are going to be hundreds of millions more new dogs and cats on this planet too, especially as our love for dogs extends globally too. Our dogs and our cats love protein. Protein is important for healthy bodies, healthy minds as they start to grow. There's a big question though, how are we going to feed our pets as we continue to grow, all of us, both humanity and our pets that we love? As we all know, animal protein isn't sustainable. The real reality is there aren't enough planets to make enough protein, enough Earths to make enough protein to feed all of us, all humans and all of the animals as well. It's expensive, it's not sustainable as we know, polluting our air, soil, and water, and there have been some serious challenges around especially pet food safety, with recent recalls around contaminated meat, plastics, and also salmonella being found in those proteins. Surprisingly, plants are also not the answer. So plants are actually relatively low in protein. The protein isolates are actually pretty expensive to make for those of you that have had pea protein isolates. They're expensive, and monocrop culture isn't great for our soil either. So we have a challenge. So the question is, what is the answer? The answer is the third kingdom of life, fungi. So fungi species, this very colorful fungi that we've got there, fungi are actually, there are 10 times more species of fungi than there are plants, for those of you that don't know that. So there are 5 million species of fungi on this planet compared to about 400,000 species of plants. Fungi are actually very sustainable and they're high in protein. So fungi-based proteins are actually the future of food. And so that is the secret that's powering our first product, Wild Earth dog snacks powered by koji. So what is koji, you ask? Many of you may not be familiar with what koji is. It's actually an ancient fungi that we humanity have grown and brewed for about 9,000 years. Starting first in Asia, in many of the foods that we all know and love, it gives it the umami taste, the savory taste that we really enjoy. That savory taste that we humans love, turns out our pets love it too. So this is actually how we brew our koji. We take 9,000 years of tradition and experience and we've modernized it. So we brew it in an entirely new way, modern way, to make sustainable, clean, high quality protein. Our koji is actually high in protein, and it has a whole host of benefits, which I'll kind of list off in our product specifications. So it contains no animal ingredients. As we know, there are a huge number of issues around hypoallergenic dog foods. There's a real interest in that at the moment in the marketplace, and we can provide that benefit. There is no corn, no soy. It has no artificial preservatives, and no antibiotics, and no hormones. And it's healthy. So we really focus on having functional foods, and so it has a prebiotic effect for healthy digestion, and it also has omega-3s and 6s for healthy skin and healthy coat as well. And as we're building a healthy product, we actually want to build a healthy business as well. So as you can see, we have a COGS of $1.14 once we're fully at scale. And we have an MSRP of $12.99, which gives us really healthy margins too. We're also serving the 50 million US consumers who are pet parents in this country who really care about sustainability for themselves and for their pets too. Our first product line is starting with treats. We're moving into dog food, and then we're moving into cat treats in 2019, and then we'll be launching our cat product in 2020. Our focus is really reinventing pet food with fungi, with koji, to provide a more sustainable alternative. We have a whole host of pioneers in the future of food space. I myself have been involved in multiple ventures building the future of food, in combining biotech and food. We also have leaders in the future of veterinary medicine, in consumer and product marketing, and also operational experts as well. It's not just us that are excited about our own products, but we've had a whole diverse array of venues who've really covered our launch and are really excited about sustainable, high-quality proteins. And that's everything from the Wall Street Journal to New Scientist, talking about our science, all the way through to Pet Age, talking about new potential options for veterinarians and also for pet parents who care about sustainability or are dealing with foodborne allergies as well. We've had backing from an incredible group of backers, obviously Mars, RGA, and Found Animals. A lot of impact investors as well who really care about our planet and our environment, and also some of Silicon Valley's leading venture investors as well. So Felicis Ventures and Peter Thiel himself led an investment from Founders Fund and Thiel Capital. We are Wild Earth. I invite you to join us in our journey. We're always looking for partners as we scale domestically and internationally, and we will begin our conversations around Series A shortly towards the end of this year. So thank you very much, everyone, and looking forward to talking with you all soon.